Any question?
What happens to a person if we just give him out on the street one simply wonderful, or some prashadam, one piece of prashadam?
Well, that is wonderful. Simply wonderful. He has not tasted such wonderful sweet in his life. Therefore you give him wonderful, and because he is eating that wonderful sweet, one day he will come to your temple and become wonderful. Therefore it is simply wonderful. So go on distributing this simply wonderful. Your philosophy is simply wonderful. Your prasadam is simply wonderful. You are simply wonderful. And your Krishna is simply wonderful. The whole process of simply wonderful. And he acts wonderfully, and it is acting wonderfully. Who can deny it?
Prabhupada is simply wonderful.
That's all right. You can become everyone. All right, have kirtan.